Hi, hey guys, Kevin Blind Lake Mechanic. Back down here on this 347. Fixing to slam this Kinetic gasket on. Got the deck surface clean, got that other head on and torqued down. Got it lined up over the studs there. We're gonna push it down over the dowels. Easy does it on those tight dowels. There we are. Back down this way. Cooperate with me. There we are. All right, we're gonna get the head here. We're jiving. Get the finger into the pinky in position. There we are. Seated a little bit with my body. Got to installing some bushings. If you don't know, when you're messing with small block Fords, aftermarket heads are always cut for 1/2-inch studs. So ARP or whoever, well, I don't know anybody else, but ARP sends you these reducer bushings. So you'll put one of these in every single one of your head bolt holes. Well, that's when you're messing with a factory Ford block, if it's not been drilled and tapped out to 1/2-inch head studs. Technical difficulties there. Come on, work with me. Back off in there. Oh, I was in the wrong spot, that's why. There we are. One of these go between every set of valve springs. Of course, that's where your head bolts and head studs are. If you don't know, you got 10. Some of these are fitting a little better than others. To go back to that last one. A little bit of persuasion. There we are. There it went. Little tappy tap. These outside 5. Step in here. Well, some of those are tight. Maybe I'm not getting them started straight, but I think I can slip one over that stud. Sure enough. Back down this way. Alright, that's got all the reducers on. Pass me the rest of them studs. I'll start with the long ones. Oh shoot. Oh no. Here. I was gonna have you lube them. I'll screw that all up.